Okay, I was able to import the SQL file that you sent over. Hold on, let me go here. Yes, this is it. So does this mean if I want to set up 100 directories, I have to keep manually importing the SQL files? Or is this a fix that you're going to end up taking care of? Now, of course, I had to go in and add the states. I'm in Virginia, so we'll just save a little bit of time here. Now let's type it in. While there, Virginia, there's no Virginia in the Ukraine. Delete that. So let me do that again just to make sure. Okay, so now I want to add my first city, which is Virginia Beach. Countries, just to make sure. Virginia cities. These are the cities. Well, there's 2 San Franciscos. I don't know. I keep saying California, Ukraine. Okay, I'm not sure what that's about right there. But I'm going to add a city anyway. So the city, the country, United States. State, Virginia that I added is showing up in there. Saying the city name. Virginia. This is the error that I am getting. And it does not add the city to the listing. See, no city. So I'm gonna look at the front end and see what's on up there. In the front end, I cannot. Nothing in the front end. I'm not sure if you guys are testing this before you send it over, but I'm wasting a whole lot of time trying to set up something that I was assured would be extremely simple. So let's try to do what we can do to get this up and running, because I need to duplicate this and set it up across multiple niche markets and set up multiple sites. If you're not able to do it, let me know and we'll just work out something on a refund or something. All right, that's it. Let me know.